It's mudroom day today. So we're here in one of my favorite mudrooms actually. We're styling this house and I thought what a perfect place to show you how to style mud. So I had a lot of viewers comment on how to dress up their mudroom. And you would think it would be an easy space to, just let loose and go through the house. But no, there is a little bit of a touch-up nitty-gritty things that you need to do to make it absolutely perfect. So this mudroom is actually stunning, and that's why I chose it, because it has a lot of beautiful elements and texture. So they did the midnight blue finish on the paint with all of the cabinetry. They did a beautiful mosaic with Calcutta, and it has the grays and the whites and the creams and some black accents, which absolutely make it perfect. And all of their finishes are in brass. So I'm going to show you 4 easy ways to make your mudroom perfect. Finished product. Step 1, choosing the perfect pillows for any space really. So I picked a nice floral pattern here, and this pattern has a few of the colors that's already in the mudroom. White, gold, the midnight blue, and a little bit of gray. So then I worked with that with my other pillows. I brought in a solid gray, and I brought in a woven neutral color that has a little bit of a gold in it. So this right here already blends in with the rest of the room. That's step 1. Step 2, choosing a nice throw. Some people have custom cushions that are made on their benches. We don't here because this is not our house. I would typically do that. But since we don't, I opted to go for a nice furry, fluffy throw to put on here. Adds a lot of dimension, don't you think, with the navy blue and the white? Yes. Third step, I added some baskets. Baskets are such a cute and cozy way to really finish off a room. And what I did was I picked the same neutral colors, the gold, the beige, the white, the fur again. Stuff it in. If you don't need throws in here, because we have a family room right beside here, so it's very useful. But if you don't need the throws in here, it could be really anything seasonal. It could be like winter gloves in there, or like hats you can throw in there just to keep them away tucked up, and it looks pretty at the same time. And then our last step is to do a nice throw. I did a nice fur runner. I didn't want to take away from what's happening here just because the mosaics is so beautiful, the floor here, the tiles that they have. So I just did a nice white that just accents versus take away from the print and pattern that's already in the mudroom. Don't forget to karate chop your pillows. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the 4 steps of a perfect mudroom, and leave us some comments. Let us know what you think, if you would add anything, take away anything, or just do it completely differently. We always love to hear your thoughts, and like, comment, and subscribe to our page because we love giving you more content all the time. Till next time, see ya.